Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Fern. I hope you're all coping okay in lockdown. Well, it's not lockdown anymore, but it sort of is. You sort of go out, but you can't. Anyway, if you want to see how I created this mermaid look, then please carry on watching. So I'm firstly going to take my Revolution eyeshadow primer and just pop this on my eyelids. I'm then going to be using this really funny eyeshadow palette from Accessorize. I'm going to be using like an ocean blue, get it, ocean mermaid, which you can just see on the camera here, and I'm just going to wash this all over my eye area. Now that's done, I'm going to then be using this more royal blue colour just here, and I'm going to be working this into the crease of my eye. Do you want to use like small circular motions just to blend that into your crease? I'm going to use the excess what I've got on this brush just to go underneath my eye area. I'm going to go with my Juvia's palette, and I'm going to be using Custard, which if you put it over the blue, it creates like a really royal blue colour, which is what we want for this mermaid look. As you can see, I put the purple on and it's created like a royal blue effect. I'm then going to pack on a lighter blue just on my eyelids, and then I'm going to start using the glitter. I'm going to be using the macaroons from the Juvia's palette, which is this one. It's like a greeny blue, but it's really like turquoisey, which is what we want for this look. Up close, I'm then going to use a blue and I'm going to blend these two colours together just with the blue so they all blend nicely. So let's move on to the glitter. I'm going to be using my NYX Face and Body glitter, and I'm just going to literally just pop this glitter just on the inner here, and I will show you when I've finished. So I've literally just packed the NYX glitter. This colour is like a sort of blue grey colour, and I've literally just packed it. It's the GL12, and I've literally just packed it just on the ear, just here and here. I'm just going to go with my Collection Crown Crystal Dazzling eyeliner in Cosmetic Stars, and I'm just going to pop this just on the outer, just here. And I'm not going to use this as an eyeliner either. I'm just going to use it to like dazzle glitter and just pop it on freehand like that. These colours are actually so pretty. I would never ever wear them, but I'm then going to go with my Makeup Artist Intense colour eyeliner just on top of my eye. This is like a real royal blue, so it's going to make my eyes pop and stand out. So I've literally used this eyeliner on the top, and now I'm going to do it in my waterline. This one is so annoying. I'm sorry about this, guys. some purple around the eye area, so I feel like we've lost the purple a little bit with the blue eyeliner. That's better. And just run the purple underneath my eyes as well. Look at this. I've got my lashes on now. I'm using the Allures 101s. They're really easy to put on. So my lashes are on. I'm going to put some black mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I will show you what my eyes look like. So I've used the Clinique Chubby Lash on my bottom lashes. I've also put some up to the top, just so my lashes look more natural and don't look like they're just glued on my eyes. This mascara is really, really good. It's really good for volume, so I do find it's really good for like pushing your lashes up with your own lashes as well. I'm gonna do my foundation and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. I'm then going to be going all over my face with the L'Oreal Back to Bronze Bronzer, like literally just sweeping across all over my face, just to give like a bronze look. With my eyes being stand out quite much, my face is quite pale. So off camera, just I just did my brows as well, using Benefit products. My eyelash keeps unstuck. I don't know if anyone else finds that when they do their eyelashes. This bit always comes off. I'm gonna go over my brows with like a purpley reddy colour. I've seen this in other this sun is so annoying. I've seen this in other makeup tutorials, and I think it's good with the brows and the lips like the same colour as well. So I'm gonna do my brows like this pinky purpley colour here, with this crayon from NYX just along here, and then I'm gonna go with my lips with that as well. I'm next going to go in with my blue eyeliner that I used in my eyes, but I'm going to do it on my lips. It's like a lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with the purple that I've got on my brows as well. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. So that is actually like an eyeshadow stick, and I've got it on my lips because I don't have a colour like that. I think it works really well. It feels a bit drying, but I'm gonna add some highlighter just here and down my nose as well, just to brighten up my face area. So obviously to complete this look, I'm going to mermaid wave my hair with the Mark Hill Mermaid Waver. I will do this. I'm going to mermaid wave my hair with the Mark Hill Mermaid attachment. So obviously I would really like to use fish net tights to do the whole scale effect, but unfortunately due to lockdown I haven't been able to get any. and I'm going to use glitter just around here instead. You're probably not going to have the same effects, but obviously if you want to learn how to do that, you can watch tutorials on here on how to create that really nice scale look using the fishtail nuts. And it is really nice if you're going to a fancy dress party, but this is more just like a mermaid sort of makeup look. Literally Collection 2000 glitter eyeliners are amazing. They are so good. You can use them as glitters on your eyes, eyeliners, that face glitter, especially for festivals, and I've just put some on my lips as well to make my lips really sparkly. Obviously if you don't have the Mark Hill Mermaid waver, you can use obviously just French plate your hair when it's wet, or French plate your hair and blow dry it just to create that heat on your hair, and then when you take it out you will get the same sort of effect. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out, and I'm actually quite proud of myself, to be honest. I hope this was handy to anyone that was trying to recreate a mermaid look, or if you're going for a festival, you can even use this for a festival. It doesn't have to be like a mermaidy. It's quite sort of out there, and makes your eyes sort of stand out if you were wearing something really glittery. If you are dressing up as a mermaid, you could recreate this look, and obviously use the fishnets to do the scales with. Like I've said before, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and press that little alert bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. It's something a little bit different, and I just got really bored in lockdown, so I thought I would do a mermaid makeup look.